on with this lineup. Off we go then. Let's hope for some goals then today. It's Messi with the ball. Bonucci. He's headed the ball forward. That's nicely played. Oh, and it's saved by the goalkeeper. Incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look. Now it's Griezmann. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. The striker picks it up. Ronaldo. Oh, not the best effort there. Oh, what a miss, especially for a player with his shooting skills. Kicked outfield. That's good link-up play. Here's Ronaldo. Surely now. Alisson. Fantastic stop. I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. Corner played short. And that's well out. Good ball. Good clean challenge. Headed on. And it's Ronaldo. Using the width here. The goalkeeper eases the pressure. Rolled out by the goalkeeper. Mbappe. This is Hazard. Well timed then. Great defending. Great ball. That will be the goalkeeper's ball then. Good distribution. And we're into stoppage time now. This game really hasn't ignited yet. Which team are going to step up? They brought on a few substitutes for the second half. It's 0-0. Will that change in the second half? And Ter Stegen has it. Keeper gets the game going. Here's Mane. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. This is Hazard. Volleyed on. This is Hazard. He's onside here. It could be a chance here. And that is a fantastic goal. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. They've been firmly in control of this match, and finally, they've got their goal.
Iya ada.
Masked well.
Belum. Ini juga ini. Nadia. Nadia. Belum
Here's
juga.
Van Dijk.
Oh,
this is crisp passing.
baby.
It's Messi with the ball. Here's Ronaldo. Here's Mane. And with the captain now. Won the ball. Good clearance there. Confident pass. He's headed the ball forward. defending. Ball's across the line, it's out of play. Not a good decision there. This could cost his team. It's Messi with the ball. And it's Ronaldo. Neymar.